There are actually two train streets in Hanoi. Did you know that? Only the northern train street is becoming more restricted and may eventually close. So far, the southern train street has not been affected. The better-known train street is located north of the Hanoi Central Station next to the Old Quarter, which is one of the biggest tourist areas in Hanoi. This train street is considered to be closed according to the plans of the government. The second train street is located south of Hanoi Central Station. Going there from the central tourist area takes more time, but you will have the exact same experience. The south train street is only half as long as the north train street, but there are still plenty of bars and cafes, where you can get the thrill of the passing trains while enjoying your drink. At the moment the plans of closing the north train street are not finalized. However, it may happen that the train street is temporarily closed. Therefore, if you face the closure, I recommend to visit the south train street, where you can still get the thrilling experience, which you are probably looking for. Are you planning to visit Hanoi, or have you already been there? Please write it in the comments. Let's take a closer look at the actual plans, which were published in Vietnamese newspaper in March 2026. Under a plan outlined in a letter from the ministry to the Hanoi People's Committee in March, freight trains would stop running entirely on the section from Hanoi Station to Gia Lam Station, while passenger and tourist train frequencies would be reduced. If fully implemented, the changes would mean no passenger trains passing through the narrow residential strip between Hanoi Station and Long Bien Station. Despite an official ban and fixed barriers at the entrance to Tran Phu Street, thousands of people still enter daily to watch trains squeeze past buildings. Vietnam Railways Corporation has repeatedly urged the city to crack down on the safety violations. The plan originated with a January proposal from the Hanoi People's Committee, which asked the ministry to reroute trains so that southbound services would terminate at Hanoi Station and northbound services at Gia Lam Station. The adjustment aims to preserve and promote the historical value of Long Bien Bridge and to develop a cultural and tourism space around the 131 stone arch vaults on the railway between Hanoi Station and Long Bien Station. To make the changes work, Hanoi would build a passenger transfer hub at Gia Lam Station and organize free shuttle services between the two stations. Vietnam Railways Corporation would work with the city to build a freight yard and access road at Ha Dong Station and a transfer point near Gia Lam Station. An interagency task force has already been set up to review the legal framework and draft a comprehensive plan for transferring the railway infrastructure on the Hanoi Gia Lam section to the city government's control. In summary, with the current restructuring plans only the north train street is impacted. The south train street will remain open in the future. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more news about the Hanoi train street. Enjoy your trip to Hanoi.